So what I was saying in the last video was that I was talking about my retirement journey. Oh, there's a wasp up there. Oh, the hazards. This is what we get, you know, in Scotland on a hot day. We get wasps. Ah! Don't bother coming into my house. No, because they sting. I love living in Scotland because we get wasps, we get midges when I'm out cycling, but we don't get rattlesnakes, we don't get mountain lions, we don't get bears, and we don't get all that. And honestly, we do get adders up north. I've heard 2 stories this weekend about people and a dog being bitten by an adder up in the Highlands. Oh, it's never happened to me or my dogs, thank goodness. Anyway, the point is, what I was saying about my retirement journey was that yes, my main channel, it is about me retiring. It is about my downsizing and moving house. But I've added in my carnivore diet, I've added in smoothie recipes, I've added in some of the hosting experiences I've had with lovely Italian guys and gosh, the girls, so they were from South Korea. I've had some lovely experiences. I've added this in because you know why? Because it's my life, it's authentic. It's authentic. I'm not just going to, you know, stick to, oh look, I'm downsizing my lounge today. I'm just putting these in the bin, guys. I'm downsizing this and that. No, because there's a lot more to my life than that. So if you have stuck all on my channel, thank you so much for doing that. And it will be authentic. I'm never going to be a person that's going to, you know, just pretend my whole life's about downsizing or, no. This is what you get. This is the real deal. And this is the view out of my kitchen window at the side. And this, so that's my that's my little walled garden. I love it. I created all that myself. It's where I hang my washing. It's absolutely beautiful. Get a little sun out here. I used to have a hammock out here, but eventually it broke. I say authentic. Yes, you see my house messy, but this is where I live now. One thing I can tell you is that the guest rooms are not messy. They are all cleaned to a very, very high standard, and I get lots of high marks for the cleanliness and things, which I should, of course. So this room is used to store my artwork. I don't tend to do it in here. I tend to do it in the kitchen because I love that room. It's so bright and sunny, and that's where I'm going to be going to sit soon. And oh, there's a fly needing out. Right, out you go then. Out you go, fly. I don't want you buzzing around in my house. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to link this video to the previous one because as usual it cut off. I've not learned to splice videos together yet. You'll need to bear with me, guys. But this is the dining room. This is where guests can come and they can use the fridge, the microwave, the toaster, dishes and everything's all provided for them. And this is my kitchen, my own kitchen, because this is where I do my artwork as well. So I'm going to link the 2 videos together, and so I'll link the previous one to this one and this one to the, well, I'll try anyway, I'll do my best to do that, because it was meant to be all one video. So that's the carnivore dinner that I'm having tonight, as I explained in the earlier video, which in case you don't watch it, I've not eaten much today, so I'm having a lot for my dinner so I don't get hungry later. I don't start snacking and nibbling. It's too easy to start snacking and nibbling on nuts and even fruit and stuff, which I'm not supposed to have all that on my carnivore diet, and it's for my gut. It's for my no, it's not for a diet. It's not for losing weight. It's for acid reflux, which is horrible. If you start getting acid reflux when you're lying in your bed at night, that's when it can happen. Sometimes when you're lying down, it can be really uncomfortable. So that is why I would rather, look at this, I'll just show you, it's quite a lot meat and protein than I would normally have for one meal, but I'm eating all that because I didn't have much for lunch. So 3 more minutes. Well, it's got 2 more minutes actually. It says 2 more minutes, so we'll see how that goes. Apple cider vinegar. I like the taste of it, but it's also good for you. I've added my condiments, and now I'm going to eat out there in my garden. There's my seat. Water feature down there is on. It's Scotland, 5:45 p.m, 27 degrees. What could be better than this, eh? Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this kind of content. Have a great evening.